Well, while making a home for the whole hog on my French cleat wall right there, the old tripod that holds the phone, the videotape, hit the deck, the concrete pool, and went swimming. So, turned it into a Rubik's Cube. It's got a bunch of pieces. I got to put it all back together. Don't you worry, I got enough tools over there to fix broken hearts, folks. So I MacGyvered that thing right back into business. A little bit of glue, some wood, some tape. Oh, I got a little bit of that tie wire right there. Look at that. All made up and ready to go. Got to stop filming because you know what happens next, right? I got to get finished and finding a home for the whole hog. And there you go.